Hi, welcome to this video in which we're going to see how to embed a Google slide as a home page into Canvas. Well, first of all, we have to go to the Google slide. As you can see, I have here the slide, and the first thing that I'm going to do is the following. I go to File, I click on File, then I go down until I find Publish to the Web. I click on Publish to the Web, and here I have two options. The first one is Link, and the second one is Embed. I click on Embed, then I click on Publish, then I click on Accept, and then I copy this information. Then I go to the Canvas platform. I go to my class. Here is the class. I choose it. And as you can see in this moment, I am in home. What I have to do is I have to click on Pages. On the right side of the screen, there is the blue button that says Plus Page or Add Page. I click on it. And here I have to put a title of the page. In this case, I can say, I can put home page image. Once I do it, I click here on the HTML editor, and then I paste the information that I have copied. Again, I go down and I click on the HTML editor. And as you can see, the slide is there. Then I go down, I click on Save and Publish. And then what I have to do is I have to click here on the three dots and click on the third option that says Use as From Page. I click on it. Then I go to Home. And then on the right side of the screen, I have these options. Actually, I choose the third, the one that says Choose Home Page. I click on it. And then here I choose the second option that says Pages from Page. I click on it, and then I click the Save button. Once I do it, you will be able to see the Google slide in your home page. And that's it. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, and share with somebody in the case that he needs it. Thank you so much for watching.